Hello, welcome to video 8, sorting and ranking. We sort things all the time. We sort things to find the good stuff, we sort things to find the bad stuff, we sort things to get rid of things. So we're used to doing it. It's not just one click like it is in Excel, but it's very easy to remember and very quick on a lot of data. So I've loaded pandas, I've loaded in our data, I've looked at the info, I've looked at described, and I've looked at head. So all the things that I usually do, and we're going to skip through to sorting and ranking. So I want to sort the index. So there's a different call from sorting other columns. So first I need to set an index. So I've used .setIndex, and link is the URL for the Google Play app. To sort the index, so actually, let me just quickly show you. There you go. So that's it set. If we go sort index, not much will change. Oh no, that's not true. I thought it was already pre-sorted. So you can see that this is no longer at the top. And we can also add attributes into the index, into sort index. We don't necessarily need axis 1, to be honest, but I thought I'd put it there just to show you can use it if you want to. And if we sort it by ascending false, we get a different set of results, which, yep, totally different from, are they totally different? No. So the first one was sorted false, and then when we redid it here, we changed that. But as you can see, that's how you do it. That's how you sort the index and how you can use different attributes to get what you need. If you want to sort a column, it's quite similar. It's a different call you use though. So play data, then we're calling the column 2 stars, and we're going to sort the values, and that's one you need to remember, sort values. And we're going to sort ascending, and it pumps out an output like this. And if we change false to true, we'll get it in reverse order. So that's how simple it is to sort a value, a single value. You can call it a couple of different ways. It's going to return that to false. You can just do data frame, sort values, and then by and name the column that you want to go by, and you'll get the same output. Well, you'll basically get a data frame of the output, as opposed to just the columns, which is what we got the last time. And if you want to sort by 2 columns, one first and second, you feed it a list of the columns. But play data, sort value, by, and then a list. So first and then second. And I just kind of trust that it did it. Where is it? 2 stars. Where are my star ratings? Oh, I can't see them in here. Oh, there are stars. So zeros. There we go. So that's how you sort an index, and how you sort columns, and how you sort multiple columns. Super easy, super fast, by the way. Over 300,000 rows of data we had there, as we can see up here. 39 columns, 385,000 rows of data, and it just happened this quickly. So if we want to create a rank for the data set, I think the nicest way to do it that I've seen is to create a new column called new rank. That's what I'm going to call it. And we're just going to rank the data set by its rating. So 1 to 5, I think the ratings are. Yeah, they are for sure. You only get 5 stars or 1 stars and everything in between. You call the data set, then rating, then rank, and ascending equals 1. And we'll see what we get here. So I'll just create a new column, and then we'll load the data frame. And we go all the way to the end, because we created a new column, it's just going to bolt it onto the end. And then everything has been given a rank. And if we wanted, we can do sort values by, what do I call it? New rank. Whoops. It's usually syntax problems. And there we go, that would have been that sorted. So we can see the index here has changed position, and now we've got the ranks going down here. That's how easy it is to sort and rank things in pandas. Hopefully you'll find that useful. Definitely find sorting, ranking people use less often, but now you know you can do it, you might as well try it. Okay, all right, that's video 8 over. Coming at you is video 9. And if you liked the video, found it useful, and you want to support the community, just like the video, comment. If you get any questions, definitely comment. I'll do my best to answer. And subscribe to the channel. And if you really want to support, share it with your friends. All right. See you next video.